Good evening, guys. Today, my name is Akash Das, and I'm uh, currently pursuing my BTech in Information Technology from Vellore Institute of Technology. And today, I got a wonderful opportunity of designing a product under the guidance of Professor Soman Mukherjee. And I would be very thankful to him for providing such a great opportunity to design a product which will be helpful to the student community. So, without any delay, let's start discussing our product. So basically, my product is an app for buying and selling second-hand books, and its name is Booksy, and I like that name. So what was the need of creating this app? Let's discuss it first. Okay. So books play a significant role in our life, and it is said that when you open a book, you open a new world. I believe that everyone would agree with this statement, as books have become inevitable to the mankind. For the majority of people, books are part of their everyday life, and most of the time, you will see that people have the habit of reading books, and they also books also helps in developing someone's personality. So a book is like a best friend who will never walk away from you. That's true. Books are packed with knowledge, insights into a happy life, lessons, love, fear, prey, and helpful advice. Books have been there for centuries, and without them, today's knowledge of our past ancestors, cultures, and civilizations would have been impossible. Despite of being the increasing use of internet, still the importance of book is inevitable in students' life. And also, let me tell you my favorite books. Uh, it's Oliver Twist, and I really like that book. And there are numerous of books that I like, and book reading is one of my hobbies. So, but in today's world, people have to face many problems when they want to buy a book. Like all the places do not have libraries or bookshops, so it becomes very difficult for the people living in such areas to get the desired books. Also, even if the books are available, their cost is a problem for some. Like around 70% of India's population resides in rural areas, and most of the parents work as migrant laborers, I think. Thus, such problems are very common in our country, and many children living in villages who want to study and achieve something in life are not able to do so due to lack of books and proper knowledge. So there also exist people who have many books that they no longer need and are just lying in their bookshelves, and they do not know what would be the best thing to do with them. So they ask random people if they need such books, but they are hardly find the ones who need them. So Books is the app which can actually create solve this problem. And so let us discuss the solution of the problem that we have discussed now. Our app Books is a solution to all these problems, as this app aims at making the buying and selling of books secondhand book easy by connecting those who want to sell the book to those who want to buy it. Since the books will be a secondhand, people will be able to buy them at the price which would be 60% of the original cost of the book, which would save their money and would be able to get books from any part of the country, and their location will no longer be a hurdle. So people who have the books will no longer have to struggle for finding the buyers, and will know exactly where they would be able to find them. People will not have to go anywhere and will get to buy and sell the book from their home itself, which would attract many users towards this app. So let's see how this app works in the next part. So our app will basically gather the information about the book and seller who wants to sell them. So we will basically uh, connect to multiple sellers who want to sell a particular book, and they will sell that book to us. So basically, multiple sellers will connect to us, and they will sell that particular book to us on a price which will be agreed upon by us and the seller. So if the seller feels that the price offered by us is less than the expected, then he can decide not to sell his product to us, and we will gather the stock of that particular book from multiple sellers and buy them at the rate in which is agreed upon by both the parties. So in simple words, the sellers are directly selling the book to us, and then we will sell the book to the required person who is willing to buy the book on the price set by us, and it will be transported to different parts of the country. Okay, so let us take another example. What are the benefits of this app? On this app, people can mention the books they want to sell in their profile, and when another user requests to buy that book, our team would collect the book from the seller and deliver it to the buyer. This would make buying and selling of books a very easy task. Since books are enriched with knowledge and play a very important role in the life of students, this will help students in studying effectively and thus in achieving their goals. So the main aim of our app is to provide all types of books to the children at a very cheap rate, so that even uh, poor people can afford those books, and gain some knowledge and become successful in life. Children cannot afford expensive books will be able to get them at lower end. Thus, more and more people will be able to receive knowledge that the respective book will have to offer. And also, the increase in knowledge of people will lead to many new ideas and innovations, and thus create new chances of employment and lead to the development of our country. So there are also certain limitations to our app, but in the future we will be solving it. Uh, this app has a limitation that, for example, a user is not willing to sell the book, then process will be disturbed. Like he doesn't agrees upon the price in which we want to buy the book. So, but the chances of this problem to occur are very rare, as if the book is an important one. There must be some user who would be having it, and also to prevent such problems of unavailability of our team would coordinate with some bookshops too, who sell used books, which would increase the chances of book being available on our app to buy. Thus, this app is expected to attract a large number of people and turned out to be one of the best apps available. So that's my product, and I hope this product works. So I would appreciate. So thank you for